Good morning everybody, it's Hugh from Berthon. I'm here doing a walk around on a fab new listing that we've got for you. She's a Princess 43. She's called Just Let It Go. She's from 2016. Let's go have a look around. So this is Just Let It Go. She is a Princess Yachts 43. She was built in 2016 down in Plymouth. She's an Olesinski hull design in association with Princess Motor Yachts, and she's a really nice super spec boat, UK built and owned, and she is in her third ownership from new, as opposed to the preceding 42, which was an incredibly successful boat for Princess. She has a lot more light inside and a slightly different layout. So starting aft, we've got this deep blue hull with a fixed bathing platform with teak laid over the top, and she's equipped with a Zodiac Cadet dinghy, which is a 300 with aluminium hull that sits on a really neat Hurley-David's system, and she's got a Mercury 15 horse outboard on the aft end. So the aft cockpit can be completely enclosed in this blue canvas. Then we've got access on both sides running through onto a teak laid bathing platform. And entering this, we've got this large U-shaped sofa with bifold table, access either side to the side decks up these teak treads, up to the flybridge here, and then down into the engine space just through this trapdoor here. So forward into engine space and aft into lazarette. So this is the starboard side access leading aft, so really useful for working on outboards, etc. Then you've got grab rails at both high and low level just to guide you forward onto the side decks. We've got deck fillers underneath our feet, opening window into the starboard side helm, and then we've got a really nice foredeck area with sun pads there. Your main anchor locker sits underneath this lid with your windlass control, and then we've got access down into the forward cabin via that deck hatch. So she's got a really good sized flybridge for a boat of her size, with helm over to the port side and a large wraparound seating area aft and another forward seating area over to starboard. So that's your aft cockpit there. It's really nicely trimmed out in Movida Ice and Vogue. And heading up to the flybridge, got really good easy steps up. 2 seats for helm and co-pilot with Axiom Pro plotters recently put in both on the flybridge and below. Deck access on the port side, and you've got a really nice seating area over to starboard and another seating area aft here to port. She's equipped with radar and AIS. This table just folds over to make access a great deal easier. And then over to starboard, you've got a wet bar with a sink and grill. So it's a great area for entertaining. It's a great area for spending time. You've got a cool box up here centrally, just to starboard of the main dash, and a really commanding view both through that aft hatch down to your aft port quarter and for forward vision also. So heading inside, you'll note that she has the walnut interior. So there were 2 options on. This is putty leather inside. You've got these enormous windows on both sides, piercing a superstructure, with a sofa over to port side, extra fridge down in here with your AV system. There's a pop-up TV that just comes out of this slot here on a high-low rise. Just open that up there. There's more storage aft, so you've got glasses there, clock and barometer, heater controls, and then there's a slide drawer with more storage just below. It's a nice 2-seater sofa over to port and a large converting sofa over to starboard, so that'll drop into a double berth. Trifold door at the aft end, blinds all the way around, and an aft curtain. So you've got opening panes port and starboard, one just by the helm position and one above the galley. So your main electrics are kept under this cover. As said, she's got 2022 Axiom Pro 12s. She's also got variable thrust bow and stern thrusters. And she's running on a pair of Volvo Penta D6 435 diesels. They run around about 550 hours and they were serviced for the 2026 season. So the really neat part of this 43 is that you've got a galley that's split so it doesn't take too much space up above or grab too much space down below from your valuable accommodation. And it's got a washer dryer underneath here. It's one of the inverter LGs. And as you can see, you've got everything in terms of fridge, triple gas hob, and a nice Samsung microwave, and plenty of light coming in. So you're right underneath the screens. You head forward through this atrium and you're into the forward cabin. So it's a large high level forward double berth along the centre line with a couple of drawers underneath, opening ellipses port and starboard, and an overhead hatch, and again all trimmed out in walnut with a nice satin gloss finish. You've got access into the ensuite heads here with electric freshwater flush loos, large stand and walk-in shower stall aft, very easy to keep clean, and a nice basin. Heading back aft and over to starboard, we've got a twin guest cabin. So you've got plenty of head height in here, two opening port lights, really good sized locker. And then you've got access forward into an ensuite, which also serves as the day heads. So we have one door here leading forward, really nice door furniture on it, and then one access panel straight off the main lobby. And again, over forward to starboard, sorry, there's a walk-in shower stall. Again, another freshwater flush loo and shower. We'll walk back through the saloon and go and have a look at what's happening down below in her engine room. So there's a 3-rung ladder, pop down here, and you've got an aft lazarette area with switching, your lollipops for your thrusters, plenty of space for cushion storage, steering gear, and then through to the battery boxes. You can just see engine exhausts running aft also. So everything really neatly labelled, very well insulated as per normal Princess build. And then we've got a pair of D6 435s here. So your main engine seacocks right down the centre line. Twin CPAR filters for your fuel, and that's your main raw water inlet. Fuel tanks port and starboard. That's those seacocks again. It's a really, really strong, powerful engine. And it'll take this boat from a cruising speed of 20 to 22 knots up to a max speed of around about 28. Battery chargers over to the starboard side, kept neatly out of the way. It's a really, really light, airy engine room. Pleasure to be on board. Many thanks for watching. So this is Just Let It Go. She's a 2016 Princess 43, available through Berthon now. Many thanks for watching.